Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Vijay. Today we are going to discuss some of the common mistakes usually people will do when they are doing a biceps curl. Even I was also doing the same mistakes as well. Okay, so before going to that, and one more thing, these are the mistakes, according to me, these are the mistakes I found out when doing a biceps curl. You need to understand these common mistakes properly. You need to watch my previous video. In that video, I have explained technically how to do a biceps curl in a proper way. So, okay, before going to common mistakes, we will understand these two parts as well. Okay, this is just a line diagram that I wrote of anatomy, and then here you need to remember origin and insertion. Okay, one more thing, we have two muscles in biceps, that is short head and long head. And long head is crossing the shoulder line. You need to remember this also. Okay, and then you don't have to remember any of these anatomical terms. You just need to remember where is insertion and where is the origin. And next, you need to understand isolation exercise and compound exercise. So let us understand the compound exercise with an example. So example for compound exercise is chest press. In chest press, you are using two or more joints and muscle groups. So basically you are using a pectoral muscle and then your shoulder anterior muscle as well as your triceps. So when it comes to isolation exercise, you are using only one joint and limited number of muscle. So for example, it's a biceps curl. So in a biceps curl, you need to use only your biceps muscle when you are lifting a weight. You are not supposed to use any other muscle to do a biceps curl. Okay. Now let us move on to the mistake number 1. That is what? Not standing properly. Okay, then how to stand properly? So when you are standing, so this is you should remember this one. When you are standing, the stress on your joint must be least. That is what the proper posture. When you are standing, the stress on the joints must be least. All your muscles should engage, but not the joints. This is very important to remember. So when you are standing, the stress you should feel on your joint must be very less, like least. Okay, that is where. Okay, when it comes to biceps curl, so not standing properly in a biceps curl. So maybe you are standing with arching your back and standing, or maybe rounding your shoulder and standing, or maybe bending your knee and standing like this. Okay, these are the common mistakes usually people will do. So what is the solution for this? So solution is either you can ask your trainer to check your posture, or either you can check yourself in the mirror. This is what the solution for that. Okay. Now let's move on to the mistake number 2. That is elevating shoulder. So when it will happen? So for example, you are carrying a weight of 2 kg and then you are doing a biceps curl. Probably you will not lift your traps. That is what you will not elevate your shoulder. So when you do it? So for example, when you take a heavier weight, and then before going to this, understand this concept. So your mind is telling your muscles to lift the weight up. So there is no connection between your weight which you are carrying and your mind. There will be always connection between the muscle to mind connection. That is what muscle to mind connection. So when you want to lift the weight which you are carrying here, your brain will send a signal to your biceps muscle to contract. Understood this one? And your brain knows you need to lift the weight up. Whatever it is there, you need to take this weight up. That signal will send to your brain from when you are seeing it. Okay. The same way, so when you are carrying heavy weight, so for example that weight is heavy and then you are not able to lift that weight only with your biceps muscle, then automatically your brain will ask the other muscle to assist that muscle. So then you will elevate your shoulder. That is what you will do. This is how it looks like, elevating your shoulder. So at this time you are using your traps muscle as well with the biceps muscle. Then it is not a isolation exercise. Even it hurts you, even it may injure you also. Okay. So what you have to do this one? What is the solution for this? The solution is very simple. Stand properly and then select the weight which alone your biceps alone can lift it up. That is what a solution. Don't go for heavy weight and then just you don't use other muscles also in a isolation exercise. Okay. Next, we'll move on to the mistake number 3, that is swinging. Swinging is something like, you'll see majority times when people are carrying heavy weights also. So what they do, either they'll swing their arms like this, throughout the repetition they will be swinging, or either they'll swing their body like this. Okay, either they'll swing their body like this. But this is not the right way, because you already know what is the isolation exercise, and even you already know biceps curl is the isolation exercise. You need to use only your biceps muscle. If you are swinging too much, obviously you are using your other muscles as well. So, what is the correction? So, how we can correct it? What is the solution for this? So, again, when it comes to solution for this, you need to stand straight and then take a weight which you can lift only with your biceps curl and then lift it up. This is what you should do. No need to swing it up or swing it like this. Okay, I guess this video became too lengthy now, so I'll stop the video here only. So I'll make it as part. I made as part 1. So in my next video, I'll explain all these other mistakes. Maybe probably I'll make it as part 1, part 2 and part 3, because these also will take more time. So that's all for the day. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And turn on the notification so that whenever I upload a video, you will get a notification. And thank you for your support and thank you for your patience. So I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, stay fit, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.